Hey guys, it's maiphammy here, and today I'm going to be doing a massive back to school try on clothing haul for you guys. I have way too many clothes. That's literally a box full of them. It's like stuff. I got rid of most of my wardrobe and I decided that it was time to finally buy new clothes. I buy new clothes often, but it's like just like a piece here and there. It's never like a whole wardrobe. And this was my first time online shopping for clothes in like 2 years. So I made a huge order. I decided to, have a whole new style. It's gonna be like Madison Beer inspired. If you guys don't know how she dresses, I'll insert some pictures. But that's kind of the style that I'm going for. I shopped at Princess Polly, Urban Outfitters, Hollister, some vintage stores, Mesh Key, White Fox Boutique, Brandy Melville. I just have like a lot of selection and I want to show you guys. I'm also giving away a pair of AirPods, so stay tuned to the end of this video to know how to win. Also, my duties fees when I order these things, like customs and duties you have to pay when it comes into your country, $500 worth of customs and duties. $500 I paid just for it to be shipped. So please don't skip the ads. Give this video a like. I would love you forever. If the lighting changes, it's because the sun's setting right now. But I'm gonna start off with Urban Outfitters. The first thing that I got is this camo jacket. Now, I'm not usually a big fan of camo, but with this jacket, I just wanted one because I just feel like it could go with a lot of things. I like to buy my jackets a little bit more oversized. Like that's kind of the look that I'm going for in my wardrobe. The thing that puts me off is the orange inside. And I just got this in a medium. This will also be really good in the fall and the winter when I need jackets. So Simon's is a Canadian store, but I got this denim jacket. I wanted a oversized denim jacket also because just a staple piece. I'm a type of person that really loves to have different jackets because you can wear the same shirt 10 times, but as long as you have a different jacket, it'll completely change up the look. On the sides, it just has like this white paint, I guess, detailing, and I really like it. It makes it look a little bit more worn in. I really like a loose denim jacket, and I got this in a men's size medium. So from Princess Polly, I got a lot, so bear with me. I got this jacket and I really like it. I've worn this in an Instagram picture already. Again, just an oversized jacket, and it's just corduroy, and I really like the tan color. The neck has this fur. I got this in a size US 4. Just another really nice piece for the fall. And I'm buying fall pieces because in Canada, September is when fall hits and then November is when winter hits. Then I got this dress. I've also worn this in an Instagram picture. I paired this dress and that together. It's just this ribbed mini dress. This is school appropriate. It's honestly not that short. I think, maybe. But I think to get away with like dress code, if you wore a mini dress and you wore an oversized jacket like that over top, which will actually cover most of it, you'll be fine. Just a super simple piece to have in your closet. And I got that in a size small. Then I have these jeans. These are in a size extra small. It's just a light wash, and I just wanted another pair of mom jeans because I only have 2 pairs, and one of them's super ripped and one of them's super light wash. I think it's a necessity, just some light wash jeans. I've also worn this in an Instagram picture already, and I really like how they fit. I like the wash of these. They're not like a light blue, but they're also not dark wash. I hate dark wash on myself. Then I got this blazer, which like, what? A blazer? But I'll insert a picture of Madison Beer wearing it, and blazers are starting to come in now, wearing like a blazer with the tank top and then some denim shorts. That's all I gotta say about it. I got this like pleather white skirt. I never thought that I'd be wearing pleather, but it's kind of just like the style I kind of want to go for now. Don't know if this is school appropriate, but again, I wear oversized jackets with everything, so I think the key to making things school appropriate is wearing oversized jackets. This I got in a size 2. I got this dress and it's actually too small for me, I think. I don't know when I'll ever be wearing this out because it's too short for me. But it is cute though. This literally looks like a shirt, but the bottom is just frilled. I then got these like pleather pants, leather pants. I don't know, what's pleather? I don't know. But I got some leather pants and I never thought that I'd be getting these either, but changing up my style, trying something different. I think these are just so badass and I really like them. Something different for pants because I usually just wear either leggings or like wash jeans or sweats. Sweats most of the time actually. I literally wear sweats every single day almost. Then I got these black jeans. I absolutely love these. I got these in a size 6. I've never bought a pair of jeans like this. It's just some black mom jeans and they're super ripped, and I like how the wash of it is like a light gray. I've also worn this in an Instagram picture and I love these pants. Then I got this white shirt. These are in trend right now and it's just like lace, ties up at the front, super cute. I got this skirt. This is just like a tan mini skirt. I really like it, and like the Instagram baddies, how they wore like the tan colored pants? I think this is kind of like it, but just a lot more cute in my opinion. I'm trying to wear skirts more because I think it's just gonna like spice up my style a little bit. Then I got this bodysuit. This bodysuit is way too small for me. I got this in a size 0. mistake. Then I just got this black leather skirt in a size extra small. More skirts, more basic pieces. Cannot wait to style skirts though. I then got this tan kind of shirt. It's kind of similar to the white one. Again, just super in style. I don't really buy things that are other colors other than black and white, so this is different. So then I got this corset. Not really. Yeah, I don't know, it kind of looks like one, and it's just strapless. This one isn't school appropriate, unfortunately, but I took some Instagram pictures in it. I think it's something different. I don't really have something like this in my closet. I got this leather jacket. I've been looking for a decent looking leather jacket for a while now. A leather jacket is like a staple in my wardrobe. When I was in Europe, I wore a leather jacket almost every single day. I just love the way they look, and it just makes you look like a badass. It already ripped in the middle, if you guys can see, so definitely not good quality, but I got this in a size extra small. Last but not least, I got these boots from Princess Polly, and there's something that I never thought that I would ever buy, but I absolutely love them. I've already worn them quite a couple times. It's just something super different from what I have. The only boots that I wear are Doc Martens, and I thought I would branch out and get something with a heel. I really want to get these just in a simple black and also just a simple white now. Just a bunch of colors. I think that they spice up your outfit so much, and they just make you look like you put so much more effort into your outfit, if that makes any sense. So from Hollister, I just got one thing. It's just this dress. It's this denim looking one, and it's black. I like the belt piece that it has in the middle. This is school appropriate, you know, they have the thicker straps and everything like that. Just a super cute piece, and has pockets, so that's a plus. From Fashion Nova, I bought this denim jacket because this was before I bought the one that I just showed you guys, but I saw that one and I was like, wow, that's cute too. But this one just has rips in it. This one's not as oversized. It just has a lot of rips in it, which is a nice touch. And I think I got this in a size large. From Brandy Melville, I got this long sleeve shirt. It's just cinched in the middle. I wear this with like men's button downs under it, and I think it looks adorable. I also got this white tie-up t-shirt. I have this in black, and I also have this in cheetah. I absolutely love this style of shirt from Brandy Melville. I think it's so flattering. And then this tank top right here, I also got from Brandy Melville. A lot of you guys were asking where I got it in my last video, but it just has like lace on it, and it's just adorable. From this vintage store in Edmonton, it's called From Another Edmonton, I got this NASCAR, I don't know, tee, and it's just oversized. It's an extra large, and I love how it looks. I also took an Instagram picture in this, but I think like oversized tees and then denim shorts and like some Converse or Air Force Ones are adorable, and it's a really easy outfit. If you guys want me to do outfit videos, let me know because I'd be down for that. Then I also got this Nike extra large, like oversized hoodie. Again, hoodies, denim shorts, and then Converse. Super cute, simple outfit. From Mesh Key, I got this red tank top. It's actually almost ripping, and it's gonna rip soon, so not good quality, but it's a cute shirt. I also just got this simple white bodysuit. Again, I keep saying this, but super basic, simple piece. I like to buy simple pieces because I like to dress them up with my shoes or my jackets. Then from White Fox Boutique, I got this red bodysuit. Absolutely love it. It's really in trend right now, I guess. You know, the shirts that are like roughly like this and then tie in the front, and my favorite color is red, and people say that red looks the best on me, so I hope that's true. Then from Lululemon, I just got some white leggings. I know, why would I buy white leggings? I don't know, but I did. So these are just the Lululemon lines. I got these in a size, I think, 4. I also really like Fabletics leggings if you guys are looking for something more affordable. All right, so when I was in LA, I went to this store. I totally forgot what it was called, but I'm still gonna show you guys the pieces that I got. This denim jacket, it's just a white one and it's cropped. It's a little bit oversized too, which I really like. I got this in a size small. I've already worn this out quite a bit, and I also got an Instagram picture with it. I think cropped denim jackets are so cool, and I'm so glad I finally got one. I got this romper, and it's just a blue color. I absolutely love this color. Super cute, super summery. I also got this white skirt. I really like this. It's just like a denim looking material, but it's a lot less rough. It has pockets on it, and it also has this belt, which I think is super badass. I've worn this, I think, 3 times already, and I just recently got it. Really love this skirt. So from Urban Outfitters, I got sunglasses. I don't know where the other pair is. I saw it today, but I don't know where it actually is. And I got these. Don't know how I feel about these. But I also got other ones which are like more square looking ones. I'll insert pictures. From Brandy Melville, I also bought 2 pairs of sweats. I don't have them on me right now. They're in the wash, but I bought a gray one and a white one because I just love wearing sweats. I wear sweats every single day. Literally every single day. So I thought I would buy some more so that I didn't have to constantly keep washing the same pair. From the vintage store, I also got this Tommy Hilfiger like cropped zip up. I don't have it on me. It's in the wash. Okay, you can wear it kind of like off the shoulder if you want to. I think that it's just like a piece that looks like you put like no effort in, but it's still really cute. So I also bought Converse because everyone's always like, do you ever wear any other shoe other than your Air Force Ones? And I'm like, no. So I decided to go buy a new pair of shoes. These are just black high top. All right, so how to win these AirPods. What you gotta do is make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and turn my post notifications on for YouTube, follow my Instagram, and also turn on my post notifications on for Instagram. Then come back here and comment down below your favorite clothing piece that I tried on, and also comment your Instagram with that same comment. Don't spam the same comment and try to enter a bunch of times, because the comment generator that I'm gonna be using to pick the winner will cancel out all like duplicate comments. Basically, how I'm gonna be choosing the winner is I'm gonna be posting a bunch of back to school videos. So I'm gonna be picking one random video for my back to school series and picking that video and using the comment generator on that and picking a random comment. So make sure you're coming back for my back to school videos, because it won't just be this one that I'm picking from. Also, just be like commenting on my pictures, liking my pictures. I want to see who's the most active, because I want to give back to my subscribers and my supporters. So that's for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you guys liked about it down in the comment box below. I read every single one of my comments and I really appreciate them. My favorite thing to do is like read comments. Also, make sure to subscribe. Let's try to get to 700,000 subscribers before August ends. I know it's like impossible, but can we do it? Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
East and the west, racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest. All night long, she putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Cleaning up my lines, I'm sending them but the best. Hey girl, the cutest that I see.